Friends, all the best for tomorrow's essay exam in UPSC Mains. 5 things you should keep in mind while writing essay paper. Z. Firstly, try to understand the statement given completely. Try to explain the statement in the first 1 to 1.5 pages of the essay writing. Clearly explain what do you mean by the statement. If the statement has 2 parts, try to break them down and explain each part clearly. For example, for the essay, that ships do not sink because of the water around them, but they sink because of the water gets into them. You can explain each part. You can explain why do you think ships do not sink because of water around them. In separate paragraph, you can explain why do you think ships sink because of water gets into them. So like that, explain the topic given very clearly with your perspective. Secondly, friends, never forget to write the current relevance of the essay topic. Whatever topic given in the essay, try to explain the current relevance. In the present days, how it is applicable, how it is useful. Either you can write examples of current affairs, or you can think and write how it is useful in future also. Third thing, which you should not miss is always write suggestions. Not only in the general studies, GS 1, 2, 3, also essay writing also, give your suggestions how this topic can be applied for betterment of society, of you as a person, or of the nation, of the world as a whole. So how we can apply it in the long term. Third thing. Fourth thing is, as you know very well, try to write more dimensions. For example, if you write some examples in the essay, one should be from environment point of view, one should be from economy, quality. Do not write the examples from the same subject mostly. Try to diversify, try to write multiple dimensions, multiple sectors, examples. And finally, friends, always try to write at least 20% of the essay again as topic given. Whatever topic statement is given, definitely you will substantiate the topic for 80% of the essay. At least for 20%, criticize the topic. Criticize means tell the cases where the statement is not wholly applicable or partly applicable. Tell such kind of points also, because you should be critical also. So overall, your critical thinking, how good you give examples, your opinion and perspective, are you able to understand the current relevance of the topic, are you a person who can give suggestions, are the most important things. Finally, I have seen 2 kinds of students. Some people write the complete essay only with examples. They fill the paper with examples only. Some write only theory. Keep in mind that the essay should be a combination of both. You have to write some theory. Theory in the sense, what do you think the essay means, or the topic means, or how you critically evaluate the topic. Theory. Example means, maybe Gandhi's example, or example of India IAS, some examples. So try to balance this both. This is how you get very good score in the essay. So all the best, do it.